Hey there, are you feeling tired and drained lately, struggling to keep up with your daily tasks? I used to feel that way too until I discovered a simple and natural remedy that changed my life. Let me tell you the story of how I found the solution to my energy crisis and how you can too. A few days ago, I was feeling more tired than usual, and I couldn't figure out why. I checked my food, my stress levels, and everything seemed fine. Then, I realized that I had stopped adding apple cider vinegar to my daily routine. I usually add 2 tablespoons of this miracle liquid to a large glass of water with lemon juice and electrolytes. For some reason, I had stopped doing that for a few days, and that's why I was feeling tired. So, I did a little research on why apple cider vinegar can increase your energy, and I found some fascinating information that I want to share with you. First, let me explain what apple cider vinegar is. It's a type of vinegar made from apples that have been crushed, distilled, and fermented. During this process, the sugar in apples is broken down by bacteria and yeast into alcohol and then into acetic acid, the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid has numerous health benefits, including boosting your energy levels. When you drink apple cider vinegar, the acetic acid is absorbed by your tissues as fuel. It converts to acetone and beta-hydroxybutyrate, 2 of the 3 ketones that our bodies can run on as fuel. This means that apple cider vinegar can provide an immediate and sustainable source of energy, making you feel more awake and alert. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar can also help with digestion. It can reduce bloating, indigestion, GERD, and acid reflux. It can also aid in weight loss, lower blood pressure, and improve your cardiovascular system. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can inhibit the formation of oxalate crystals, which is excellent news for anyone who suffers from oxalate-related issues like kidney stones. Another fascinating thing about acetic acid is that your body makes it too. Your colon cells can convert carbohydrates like fiber into small-chain fatty acids, including acetic acid. This acid can fuel your colon cells and help improve your blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. In addition to acetic acid, there are 2 other small-chain fatty acids that are produced as well: butyric acid and propionic acid. Butyric acid supports the tight junctions of your colon and can decrease your risk of developing colon cancer. Propionic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in your body. So, if you're feeling tired and want to boost your energy levels, all you need to do is add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a large glass of water once a day. You can add some lemon juice and electrolytes if you like, but it's not necessary. You'll notice a significant increase in your energy levels, and you'll also benefit from improved digestion, better blood sugar levels, and reduced inflammation. Now that you know the secret to my newfound energy, give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.